how to add tickets in Tidio. So first, go to your account. Next is just click on inbox here at the top left corner. Then from there, just need to look for tickets and then click on the create ticket icon here. From there, just need to type in your subject. So I'll just type in ticket subject, and then your customer email address. So I'll just type in email address at gmail.com. Okay, and then your center address, and then the priority, whether it's low, normal, or urgent, you can decide that. So I'll just choose normal, and then your assignee, I'll just choose me, and then you enter your ticket message here. So, and then after, so let's say I just type in ticket message example here, and then just type in, click on submit as open, or you can just click on a arrow here, and then you can just choose among the options here whether you submit as open, pending, or solved. So I'll just type in open, click on submit as open. Oh, sorry, can send your ticket because address. Okay, so you just need to put a legit email address here. Okay, and then after that, just click on submit as open and you're done. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.